Welcome back to my food channel, where I show you how to make very simple, delicious dishes that anybody could do. So, let's get started. These are the basic ingredients you're gonna need in making my delicious romaine salad. Adobo from Goya, which has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic, Parmesan cheese, black pepper, Grey Poupon mustard, vinegar, Worcestershire sauce, extra olive oil, croutons. I'm gonna put these ingredients together and make a delicious romaine salad. So let's get started. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of mustard, Grey Poupon mustard, ground black pepper, a little bit of adobo, has salt, pepper, onion, and garlic, just a touch. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of Hellmann's mayonnaise. This is the way I make romaine salad, because I'm making it my own. You could do it the traditional way, but you don't necessarily have to if you don't want to. Olive oil, extra virgin. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, now I'm just stirring it thoroughly. I just want to remind you that this is not the traditional way you make romaine dressing, but this is my version. You can make it your own, or you could use the traditional way, but I think if you try mine, you'll like it. Now we're just going to taste it. Perfect. Now it's ready to be served on the romaine lettuce. I'm just going to put the romaine lettuce. And my homemade romaine salad dressing. Sprinkle a little Parmesan cheese on there if you like. And some croutons. And here you got it. My delicious homemade romaine salad dressing. Hope you enjoy the video and my recipe. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy my recipe. Thank you for watching and subscribing, and until next time.